Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what caused the stain. Heat tint looks blue/brown. Residue is greasy or colored. Put on gloves and clear the area of loose dirt. Then wash with mild detergent and water to remove oils. Once done, dry and test a small hidden spot with white vinegar to see if discoloration reacts. If it lifts, you can proceed with gentle chemical cleaning. Make sure to avoid steel, wool, or hard abrasives that scratch and trap contaminants. You apply a baking soda paste to the stained area and let it sit briefly to loosen deposits. Then rub gently with a soft pad, always following the metal grain to prevent scratches. For mineral or heat tint, spray or wipe with diluted white vinegar after mechanical action. Vinegar dissolves oxides and neutralizes residues. Rinse frequently to check progress, and repeat short cycles rather than long abrasive scrubbing, because repeated force damages the chromium oxide layer that protects stainless steel. You finish by rinsing completely with clean water, drying every trace of moisture, then buffing with a microfiber cloth or a small amount of approved stainless polish to restore luster. Make sure to remove all residue. Trapped cleaners can cause new stains. If discoloration remains, especially deep blue heat tints or pitting, do not overscrub. Instead, consider professional passivation or electrochemical treatments. Troubleshooting tip: if color darkens after treatment,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.